how to connect Instagram to TikTok. In just a few steps, you will be able to link your Instagram to TikTok. Upon opening TikTok, click on the profile page, then click the three bars icon on the upper right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, and then click Account. Now tap the switch to business account. Then continue to click Next to proceed. In this part, basically click anything and then click Next. Click Skip. After that, you may now exit by tapping the X icon on the upper left corner and proceed to edit profile. In this page, you simply click links, click Instagram, then you log in with your Instagram account that you want to link to your TikTok, and you're all set.